Imagine this. You open your book with full confidence. You sharpen your pencil. You sit like a warrior. 30 seconds later, you're rearranging your desk, checking YouTube for just 1 minute, and suddenly you're watching a guy survive 100 days with a chicken. Congratulations. You didn't start studying. You started a side quest. But here's something most people don't know. You're not addicted to your phone. You're addicted to easy dopamine. Your brain is like a spoiled little kid. It always chooses the easiest reward. Scrolling is easy. Gaming is easy. Studying? Your brain looks at the textbook and says, yeah, let's do literally anything else. So how do you trick your brain into loving studying? First, stop trying to study for hours. Don't tell yourself, today I'll study for 6 hours. Your brain hears that and immediately presses the emergency exit button. Instead, tell yourself, I'll study for just 10 minutes. That's it. 10 minutes feels so easy that your brain doesn't fight back. And once you've started, you'll usually keep going because starting is the hardest part. Second, remove distractions before they remove your marks. Keep your phone in another room. Not on silent, not face down, not in your pocket, another room. Because if your phone vibrates once, your brain suddenly forgets that exams even exist. Third, make studying feel like a game. Set a timer for 25 minutes. Challenge yourself to finish one topic before it rings. Every completed session equals 1 point. Collect enough points and reward yourself with a snack, music, or one YouTube video. Keyword, not I'll watch one video. Then Netflix asks, are you still watching? Bro, are you still studying? Fourth, study actively. Don't just stare at the page, hoping knowledge enters your brain through Wi-Fi. Close the book. Explain the topic in your own words. Teach your imaginary class. If your pillow understands the lesson, you're ready for the exam. Fifth, don't chase perfection. You don't need the perfect desk, the perfect playlist, the perfect coffee, or a $500 study setup that looks like NASA. The toppers aren't winning because their highlighter is expensive. They're winning because they show up every day, even when they don't feel like it. Here's the truth nobody likes hearing. Motivation is unreliable. Some days you'll have it. Most days you won't. That's why habits always beat motivation. Study at the same time every day, even if it's only 20 minutes. Your brain starts expecting it, just like it expects breakfast or checking notifications. Eventually, studying stops feeling like work. It becomes automatic. And that's when everything changes. Remember this, you don't fail because you're not smart enough. You fail because distractions steal hundreds of tiny moments every single day. Take those moments back. 1 page today becomes 1 chapter tomorrow. 1 chapter becomes 1 good exam. 1 good exam becomes confidence. And confidence changes your life. So close YouTube. Keep your phone away. Open your book. Read the first page. Because the hardest part isn't studying, it's starting. And once you start, you'll wonder why you waited so long.